Hey everyone, it's Faxon. So listen, I gotta be real with you. It has been a day, and I'm very done. Mercury's in retrograde, is all I'm gonna say. The universe has been giving me a hard time, and so we're just gonna have fun with this one. I'm doing an Axel/Lee makeup tutorial thing. I'm going to be testing out a wig commission. This is the Axel/Lee wig right here. He's been kind enough to give me permission to try it on, do a makeup test with it, so I thought that'd be really fun. So I have a fresh shaved baby face, I'm moisturized, I'm clean. We're gonna attempt to put some contacts in. These are from 2014, and these are from 2015. And it is now 2019. We're just gonna hope that I don't go blind, and see how this goes. It'll be great. It's a Monday. These were a little bit dried up when I found them. Oh boy. It's in there. Well, that doesn't feel good. Ugh, I think these have run their lifespan. Yeah, don't do that. Don't make my mistake. These look pretty deformed. I think I should throw them out. I think it's time. Okay, so, change of plans. I'm not gonna be wearing contacts today. But lucky for me, I have these beautiful green eyes that I'll just have to do. Is that kind of weak? Okay, Elmer's glue stick. We're gonna cover the eyebrows. I can't find my spoolie brush, which is what I usually do to do my eyebrows, because it's that kind of weak. So I guess that means that we're just gonna be winging it. I'm just gonna go straight up, get that nice and in there. I have lost so many eyebrow hairs because I refuse to wash this off. And I just peel it off in one go. You think I'd learn? And I take the spoon and mix it up. I've been cosplaying Kingdom Hearts for 8 years. 8 long years. I live and die by this fandom. Now you gotta wait forever for these to dry. Or use a hairdryer. Okay, round 2. I seriously understand why people shave their eyebrows for cosplay. It's such a pain being so lusciously hairy. So this is good enough for our purposes. This is about as much as as well as I care to have my eyebrows done. Because it's Monday night, it's like 8:30, I'm tired. While my eyebrows continue to dry, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. So I started doing my eyeliner before I do like my foundation, my primer, or anything else, because I mess up my eyeliner so bad sometimes, and then it gets all over my foundation. And honestly, it's just easier that way. It's just easier when you're just a screw up to prepare, you know, for yourself to screw up. Hi. I did just do that. Well, I guess I'll make it thicker. I guess I'll make that longer. Oh boy. Yeah, that's alright, right? That's good enough. Bring that down. Just teardrops, baby. Okay. That's pretty good. Let's see if we can make it even. I don't know about that. I don't even have baby wipes. I'm just using paper towels that have saline on them from when I was trying to put in my contacts. What happened here? Is that at least like somewhat even? Like a little bit? It's gonna have to do. Can't remember if I colored in my waterline last time I was Axel, but it looks like he colors in his waterline. He would, wouldn't? So that's what we're gonna do. Do you think this is how Axel spends every morning? Filling in his waterline like, I'm so loud, but nobody. Now that we look like a scene queen, I guess that's the life that we're choosing to live today. Does Axel have a MySpace? Does Axel shop at Hot Topic? Does Axel talk about everyone he hates on his live journal? Does Axel listen to Breaking Benjamin? Okay, now let's get down to business. Face primer, ELF. It's cheap, it's good. Use it on your face. Time to powder these brows. Foundation, you know the drill. Where'd they go? Oh god, I look like Gara. I sit with these emo boys in their eyeliner. Foundation, liquid. Smear it. Oh god, that's too much. Make me pale. I used to try and take my eyebrow piercing out when I cosplayed, but it would just get infected because of makeup. So I just started leaving it in, and eventually it gets covered up with makeup, which just makes it look like I have 2 warts on my eyebrow. That's cool, I guess. I don't like this waterliner eyeliner anymore. It's taking me back to a dark time. Contour, I guess? Kat Von D. It's a really good palette, but I mean, what do I know? It's like the only contour palette I've actually ever owned. I swear to God, if you throw up, well, wait, can you use the brown one? Tap that off. This is how you pretend that you have a chin. Blend it down, blend it down. Now I have to pretend like I have an anime nose, which is far from the truth. So I'm just gonna go in here and just draw a line straight down to try and defy the laws of physics and just pretend that we don't have any flesh there. This is fine, no one will ever know. I like to think that Axel's a bit of a diva, and so add a little extra flair to those eyelids, darken that up there. I like to take some slightly darker powder too and just, I have to try real hard to give myself a little nose. I like to add a little darkness under the eyes. It may not be the most popular choice, but I feel like Axel works pretty hard. He's had a rough go of it. He's got a lot to do. Probably had many sleepless nights. Give him a touch of realism there. Then blend it out, because you regret your decisions instantly. Gotta get that Cupid's bow. That Cupid's bow. Finally, we can move on to the highlights. So bold. Brighten up that T-zone. Tyra Banks taught me that. Gorgeous, darling. I'm just gonna do one more layer. You ever stop to wonder where it all went wrong? Okay. Let's do them brows, right? Now, sometimes I use the powder for this, sometimes I use lipstick. Right now, I have cream makeup, so let's just use that. That's fine, right? I got a little brush. What I usually like to do first is to take powder, maybe like a light brown, and I just like to kind of trace it out first, because a light brown is much easier to kind of erase and cover up than a red cream paint. So again, let's plan for failure, and just go for it. Now I know that drawing on your eyebrows while you're drinking alcohol is technically against the law. But I'm a little bit of a wild card, so we're doing it anyway. So I'm like, alright, that looks alright. That looks okay. So I'm gonna paint it. Oh, pray for me. I can live with that. Okay, that's fine. I also usually like to do like a little bit of red under the eyeliner, and I usually use like a nice soft powder for that, but I don't know where that is. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of cream and blend it out. Perfect. Don't change a thing. Giving him a little bit of that stoner chic. Maybe some of that up at the club, crying until 3 a.m. because the boy you like kissed somebody else. Just a general sense of sadness is what I want to feel. Okay, cool. I like to put a little bit of just some like nude lipstick or cover up stick because they're cheap and I'm lazy. A little on the lips. Use some chapstick or something first though, like a few hours ahead of time, because when you have chapped lips and you put this stuff over it, it looks like you went to town on a bowl of oatmeal and it is not a good look. Want to give a little extra bit of drama, a little pizzazz, like some brown. Oh god, what is he doing? Oh, what's going on? Who is he? This look is not for the faint of heart. It gives you a little that extra anime man face. This is one of those makeup tricks that looks really cool in photos, and then when you open your mouth to talk around people, you just kind of look like a frog. Are we done? Are we done? Is this nightmare finally over? I feel like I look a little bit like a cat. Meow. It's time for the magic. I want to give a shout out to Twin Fools for letting me wear this wig, although I'm sure by now, if he is watching this video, he's feeling remorse and regret over that decision. Who is he? It's a Monday night. So this is it. If you're interested in commissions, you can go to my website, paxandcosplay.com. I do wigs like these, and I will send them to you because I hate myself. So cool. Wow. Do you play Kingdom Hearts? Who's your favorite organization member? I forgot the teardrops. I guess I'm Lee. Wait, we can remedy this. Can we just talk about like what was up with that explanation of where these marks came from? Like what was that? Here I thought that it was like something to do with him just being a nobody that these marks appeared, but it's like, oh, you draw them on your face because you're an emo child. Like, what? I made them a little bit low. That's okay. Ta-da! Now you're ready to party. I'm ready. You got it memorized. Okay, for real. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm sorry, this was weird. Was this weird? I feel like it was a little weird. But I hope you enjoyed nevertheless. Please check out my channel. I have more wig styling tutorials and makeup tutorials. They're not quite like this, but they're much more informative, I can promise that. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with people. Yeah, thank you for coming on this weird journey with me. Do you know why the sun sets red? Why the sun sets red? Okay, goodbye.